How to see who viewed your threads on Threads app. Hello everyone, in
Hello
this
everyone,
tutorial I'm
welcome
going to
to
show
another
you guys how
tutorial.
you
In
can
this
view if
video, I'm going to
someone
be showing you
has
guys how you
viewed
can
your
delete
thread on the
comments on the
Threads app.
Threads app.
But before getting
But before we
started,
get
make sure to
started,
head down
I
below to
want you
give
to
this
head down
video a
below to
like
give
and
this
subscribe
video
to the
a
channel.
quick like
So the
and hit
first
the
thing you need
subscribe
to do
button as
is
well.
open up your Threads
Now,
app,
let's begin.
and
So as you
I'm
guys
just
know,
going to show
Threads
you. If I
is
go ahead
another
and tap on my
app
profile at
from
the
Meta
bottom right
and it is
corner,
connected with your Instagram
you will see
account.
all of the threads that you have
So,
posted
if you
on
want to
your
delete any kind of
profile.
comment on your threads,
And
what you need to
if
do
there
is
are any
first let me just
replies
comment
under your
anything
profile,
here.
then that person
So
has
I'm just gonna
definitely
comment
viewed
a
your
random
thread.
stuff.
And
So
also,
if you want to
if you can
delete your
view the
comment, what you need
likes,
to
the
do is
number of
tap on the
likes,
three dots
though that many
here,
people
and
has
once you
also
do
viewed
that,
your
you will have an option to
thread.
edit
So for
within
example, if I
15
go to my
minutes.
home feed
So
here and if
if
I scroll
your
down, so
threads
here
has
is a
your comment
post
has been
and
posted
it
for
has
15 minutes,
2.7
you can
thousand
edit it, but if it
reposts.
crosses the
So
15-minute
you
mark,
can also
you will
repost
not
it if
be
you
able to
want.
edit your
And if I
comment
go ahead and
anymore.
tap on the
So
replies, as you
you
can
can
see
save
here,
it, you can archive
many
it, you can
people
hide
have
the like
replied
and
on
share
this
count,
thread.
and
So
you can
that
choose
probably
who can
means all
reply
of
to your
these people
quote.
has
And
they
finally,
have
you
most
will have this
definitely
delete
viewed the
option. So just
thread
tap on
posted
delete,
by F1.
and then
So
your
uh, you can
post
see
or
there
your
is
comment will be
37,000
deleted.
likes, and all
So
of
as you
these
can see,
people
the
have also
reply
viewed the
is
thread.
not
But
available
as
right
of
now
now,
because
there
I
is
have
no
just deleted
specific
it.
way to tell
That's pretty much
who
it.
has
I hope you
only
found it
viewed your
helpful.
thread
I'll
without
catch you guys on the
interacting.
next one.
But if threads bring out such kind of update in the near future, we'll be the first one to let you know. So for that, I want you to head down below to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified. And I'll see you guys on the next one.